got to gutting it. Probably just saw me do some of that. I gotta get this bed out and then just find all the junk and get rid of all of that. Be pretty simple. And then I might, oh, here's a dog. Dog coming in. Hello. Oh my god. I think I'll maybe pressure wash it today as well. We'll see, but let's keep going. Fact. Just took the antenna out. We got this big TV to get rid of. All this junk. There's a little leak up there. Oh, dog. Come on. There's a little leak in that top corner there. Let's go find out what it is. Alright, got all this stuff out. It was pretty old and pretty weathered. We just got rid of some of the other shit in here. But Dad had a good idea. We take this out and then we just put a piece of wood in the middle here and then put the bed down, so it doesn't have to be a huge project without affecting the sides too much. Obviously take the carpet out, but yeah. But there, that little leak I was talking about before was coming in here. Oh. It's coming in here. I don't know if you can see it. Little droplets. It's coming from like up here. There's a little leak on the outside. Damn it. But yeah, that's only affected when this pop top is up, so I'll fix it and then it'll be fine. Tried opening the zips. Look pretty stuck, so I'm going to have to spray those with WD-40. But I'm keen to get in here and give everything clean. Just wipe everything down. So yeah, I think I'll pressure wash it today. Why not? I'm not doing much else. So let's do it. Oh yeah, and these are the wheelbarrows full of stuff. We took like 4 of those out. You can see it's looking a lot cleaner. These parts up here are super dirty, but you can sort of see down here, I don't know if you can see that, it's still quite dirty. What it needs is to go to the actual car wash, so I can use a big brush or just like soak it in soap for like a day. But I think that will make it a lot better, just going to the car wash and actually scrubbing it for like 20 minutes. Just pressure washer's not that high of a level, so yeah, but definitely a lot cleaner. Just to get some of the junk off. The windows are way cleaner now, so that's good. Jesus. Let's do that. But yeah, that's all today. Lots of cleaning and taking out shit. And it'll probably be like next week that I do something more substantial to this. But we'll see. See you later.